set of violation, which is in styles content. So I'll double click this. And the first violation is page must use language code. The details say page must define the language of its principal content using a valid IANA language code. And to resolve this, we can identify the language of the page by using the lang attribute on its HTML element. So let's look that up. I'm going to do a search for lang attribute HTML. And I'll pop open the first result here, which is W3 Schools. And so it looks like it's just a language attribute with the abbreviation for the language. Now if we scroll down, we can jump to the language code reference here. And what we want is English. So I'm going to do a quick search for English. And it looks like that's going to be EN. So we'll go back to our index.html file, go up to our HTML tag, and we're going to add lang equals EN. Let's save that, go back to Firefox and refresh. Okay, we knocked out another violation.